I've been doing thinking of what a new earth would look like the foundation of it, like the core, a structure that we all can live and build morality from. And I think having this discussion is important to move beyond the perception of reality that we're living in right now. And a suggestion that I have is honoring the sovereignty of breath. If we recognized the sovereign nature within our shared breath, the essence of life that flows through every single breath that we take, life wouldn't be treated so carelessly. In general, within ourselves and with other people. And so, if we can build a foundation where the sovereignty of our breath was the baseline of community, society, the world that we live in would completely shift and change. Everyone could believe what they want within the realm of honoring sovereign breath. We would be looking at people in an equal, loving, nurturing, caring way. And a world that is harmonious can be birthed out of us creating the conscious acknowledgement that all of our sovereign breath is sacred and deserves a space of life to live and breathe with ease. So, since everything is a product of our own internal reality, our thoughts are a reflection of the whole. If we can start recognizing within our own life where we are not honoring our own sacred breath, we will be able to cultivate space to recognize the sacred breath in others. Because you cannot give what you're not giving yourself first, truly, in its perception of reality. So if you live within the perception of reality that breath is sacred and sovereign, and you give everyone in your life that same foundation to live life from, the differences we create will fade away, and we will become observers and co-creators in our reality versus living in this reactive world that we live in now. So that is a suggestion that I have to start building the foundation and framework of what a new world could be like. And I think it's important for everyone to start having a conversation in their own personal life of what that reality could be like and what that foundation could look like within your own life. And from my perception, honoring the sacred nature of breath is a beautiful foundation to build community from. So I just wanted to share.